With the new co-editing feature in Adobe XD, multiple designers can access the same document, enabling real-time collaboration. In order to share a design with others, all I need to do is come here to the upper right-hand corner and click on the new invitation icon. The first thing I'm alerted to at that point is that I need to save out the document I want to co-edit with others as a cloud document. I'll go ahead and click on the Continue button and save that up to the cloud. Next, I need to come in and explicitly enable the co-editing experience. I'll do that by clicking Enable Co-editing here towards the bottom. And then I'll come in and invite my co-editors. I'll go ahead and click the Invite button, and now those invitations have been sent. Next, let's take a look at what the co-editing experience is actually like. Earlier on today, Ike gave me co-editing access to a design that he's been working on. I received notice of this by way of an email notification and in the Creative Cloud app. To open up the document, all I need to do is open up the Creative Cloud, switch over to my notifications, and then click on the invitation from Ike. From there, the document will open up in Adobe XD, and I can begin doing my work. Right away, I can tell that Ike is actively working in the document. The way that I know that is in the upper right-hand corner, his avatar is present, and it has a red ring around it. That color corresponds to any of the objects on the design canvas that he might actively be working on. So by hovering over that highlight color, I see with a tooltip that it's Ike that's doing the changes. I'm going to go ahead and let him continue with what he's doing, and here in the login screen, I'm going to start to work on the states of some of the UI elements that I designed earlier on. Now, as we work, we both can take advantage of another new addition to the application, and that's document history. Notice here towards the top where I have my cloud document, I see the cloud on the left and a drop down on the right. When I click on that, I can see that there have been a history of saves as we've worked. If I want a version to be permanent, I can just click on the bookmark icon and give it a nice name. And go ahead and save that bookmark. From there, I can open up one of the bookmarked documents in the list alongside whatever the current version is. Well, that is co-editing and document versioning in a nutshell. I encourage you to give it a try.